Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create Sui Wallet on Android phone 2024. So first thing you're going to need to do is just go ahead and go to your Play Store. And once you're in here, just search for the Sui Wallet and tap on install. This one right here. So you just have to wait for it to be downloaded. And there you go, it's already downloading. So we'll just wait for a couple of seconds. There it is, just open the application. And once you're in the application, it will ask you to log in your account, or you can also create an account. You can use your email, Facebook, or Notion. So after you have selected your email, it will then ask you to protect your wallet with additional security. So you just have to tap on next. And there it is. You are now in the Sui Wallet. So in here you can turn on your two-factor authentication for more security. And that's it. That's how you create Sui Wallet on Android phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!